This video walks through an approach to extract content from a XML string that may not lend itself to using import mappings and XML structures inside of Mendix. There were a few answers to this question. The one that I'll highlight is the answer I posted, which is to use string functions inside of a microflow so that we can extract the values from an XML string in a low-code way. The specifics of this approach are I created a calling microflow that just passed in this content. So I'll show you the string that I'm passing in. That string mimics the string that's in the forum posting. And the microflow that I call is here. You can see that I have the incoming XML string. I create a variable with my start tag value and with my end tag value, which will be used to identify where we want to extract content from. Because I've used a start tag and end tag variable, it would be easy to make this microflow generic so that you could extract any tag value from the incoming XML string. Then I've created two integer variables to contain the start tag position beginning and the end tag position beginning. And then I've created a variable to contain the extracted tag value. Finally, I took the incoming XML and just placed it into a local variable inside of this microflow. The rest of this microflow is really just to loop through the content and make sure that I've extracted the values for each one of the tags that are inside of this content that's passed in. So the first thing that I do is find the start tag position within the parameter string. If that's -1, that indicates that that start tag does not exist in the parameter string, and so we exit the microflow at that point. Once I know that I have a start tag, then I check for the end tag, and I take a similar approach. If that's equal to -1, that means we don't have an end tag, so we can't extract the value of that tag. Once I know that I have a position for both the start and the end tag, I use this function to extract the value that's between those tags. I'll leave this up on the screen for just a couple of seconds so that you can see what that is. But this is just standard out-of-the-box Mendix string functions. No need to code anything up in Java. And it's also easy to come and make changes to this if needed in the future. Once I have that tag value, then what I do is I change the parameter. So I'm starting at the beginning of the string and working my way through the string. So once I've extracted the first tag value, then I take the parameter string and I remove the beginning of that string that has the first tag value that I've extracted. And then finally, just to show the values that are pulled out of here, I log a message. Obviously, you would want to do more than just log a message. You might be putting these tag values into an entity in your domain model or doing some other activity with them. But for demonstration purposes, I'm just logging this. And then I continue to loop through until my string is empty, or I don't have a start and end tag for that string. And you can see down here when I click a button on the page that these are the tag values that are extracted, which is what we expect because this is the string value that we've passed in there. So this, and this are extracted from this string. This is a valuable way to do things from my perspective because it doesn't require any custom Java coding and is maintainable and changeable within Mendix Studio Pro in a low-code way. I hope this video has been helpful for you.